Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact meter model and wiring diagram so you connect the right terminals. Once you verify model, shut off the main breaker and apply lockout to prevent accidental re-energizing. Use a voltage tester to confirm zero voltage on the service lines. Make sure to test the tester on a known live source first. Put on insulated gloves and safety glasses and lay out insulated screwdrivers and wire strippers so you can work quickly and safely. You mount the meter securely and level in the enclosure to protect against moisture and vibration. Next, route and dress the incoming line conductors to the line side terminals and the outgoing load conductors to the load side terminals, observing the phase order L1, L2, L3. Strip insulation to specified length, insert conductors fully, and tighten each terminal to the manufacturer's torque specification so connections stay cool and reliable. Once wired, double-check labeling and clear any loose strands that might short. You remove the lockout and restore power, watching the meter boot sequence to confirm proper initialization. Then verify voltage on each phase and check that current direction and LCD readings align with expected supply parameters. Make sure CTs are oriented correctly if used. Record initial meter readings and confirm communication or pulsing outputs if present. If the display shows errors or no current, shut down and recheck wiring and CT polarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.